Hello there! Welcome back to another episode of Building Vulcan Alpha. Over the last couple of videos, you've seen us building our dream and receiving various types of equipment from floors, lifts, 3D printers. But there's one important piece missing, namely chairs. Pieces to sit on. We have right now all kinds of different pieces, but I don't think they serve their purpose. To solve all of this nonsense, we have ordered Secret Lab chairs. Why Secret Lab? Because I used to have them already personally back when I used to work at Rimac, and today we will be assembling those chairs. And since lap timing is not allowed during the public sessions Nürburgring, and we kind of love a bit of competition, we are going to all assemble those chairs and see who is going to be the fastest. And the fastest among us will win an award. The fastest among us will win an award. Alright, everyone is on their positions, on their marks. Maggie will be today our pretty judge with a lap timer, with a chair timer, with a timer. So I guess may the fastest chair assembler win. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Let's go! Go, 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 go! Let's go, let's go! Hey! You definitely playing here? Okay, okay. To be honest, in less than 2 minutes, you already open and start to assemble. What the f? Opa! We have the time. 11 minutes. Oh, we have the second one. Respect. Like 11 minutes and 6 seconds. You are a good engineer. Check.
I mean, I better be because...
Yeah. You prove yourself. Guys, don't stop now. Come on, competition is always...
I cannot have Lapo build 2 chairs in the time I build 1.
So now you're on step 8, and you have to go to step 9.
Where I kick you ass is a step 10.
Wait,
Oh, let's see if we can do another one real quick here.
One more time. Does it work?
know it.
Go, Misha, go. Go. Go.
I'm
Go.
taking my time.
He's fast on the track. He can be slow here.
Done.
Woo! Opa! We're going somewhere.
Yeah.
Opa!
Now I take a nap.
Lapo's chair is gonna be the one that falls apart. He's just like, just put it in. I'm like, put the lever handles.
gonna assemble my new house. Done. 3 minutes 19 seconds. This is wow. Wow. Guys. We're not even for an hour. First.
And the winner is... Lapo has proven that if you're an engineer, you're in a hurry, and if you would like to embarrass your co-workers, you can assemble secret lab chair in around 11 minutes.
Yeah, more or less.
But with your qualities, I think next time you can try to aim for a sub 10.
Yeah, but quality is also good, so you need to like... No? Okay.
Anyway, today we've shown you that you can assemble secret lab chairs very fast, and they look amazing. So if you want to have one yourself, check out the affiliate link in the video description. We will get a small kickback, so you'll support our business. And if you're not sold yet with the idea of having a secret lab chair yourself, here's some more cool features. They have a 4-way lumbar support, beautiful stitches and amazing embroidery, a magnetic head pillow, 165 degrees of recline of backrest, magnetic, swappable and adjustable armrests. And one chair can support multiple activities and postures. Here's one more. If you're racing for Bilstein and you love your Evo R suspension, those chairs are actually also named Evo R. On the other hand, we promised that the winner is going to get an award. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. One last final thing I want to mention is, as you can see, there are lots of chairs, significantly more than we can have them here in the office. And the reason for that, 5 we will be keeping here, and the colored ones, will go with the ladies to our other company called 3MD at the Nürburgring Boulevard. So if you are looking for some project management support or a track organization or a lot more, Diana, what can we do?
Everything. We're a yes-saying company.
Exactly. Check out the website link in the video description as well. And looking forward to seeing you there, here at the Nürburgring, on the channel, at Vulcan Alpha, at 3MD, everywhere. Thanks for watching. And I guess we need to bring the chairs now to the Nürburgring Boulevard office. Let's go.